Hi guys! You need to say hi guys! Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. We're going to be making this beautiful fabric flower, this Africa fabric flower today. So this flower, you can actually use it for hairband, for example like this. You can use it for hairband, you can use it to decorate shirts, you can use it for flower like hair packer. You can put pin, you can use it for another, just like this. So today this is what we are going to be doing. So if you want to see how I make this beautiful flower, stay tuned and keep on watching. And guys, if today is your first time on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment and press the notification bell. In case I upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you. So guys, these are the things that we are going to be using for this project. So I brought out this glass just to show you that this is what I use to cut out my pattern for the circle. So this is how I put it and I cut it out. So this is the pattern for the circle, for the bigger pattern. Then for the smaller pattern, normally I'm supposed to use the down part, but I saw that the pattern, the down part of the glass was too small, so I need the pattern to be bigger. So I just placed the pattern, the bigger pattern. I cut everything with the upper part of the glass. I use it to cut it and I just cut it more out of it. So that was how I got this smaller pattern. So this pattern is just, I cut 6 for the bigger pattern, 6, and for the smaller pattern, 6. So altogether 12 pattern for the circle. So guys, we're going to be making use of scissors, a pair of scissors, button. You can also make use of flower like this, maybe like a button or any flower like this. So you can see this one, I use the flower, another color, blue color for this one. So but I'm going to be using this button for this particular one. We need glue gun, we need felt, because the fabric, we have yellow in the fabric, so that's why I'm going to be using this yellow felt. If you have any color of felt, black, blue, any color that you have, red, you can make use of it. So this particular one, I'm going to be making use of this yellow one. So we cut out the felt. I've already cut it out just a little, then you trim just like this. So let's get started. So you take the big circle, the pattern, the bigger one, take it like this, you turn the fabric. This is the back fabric, while this one is the front fabric. So you turn it, you close it like this, then like this. So guys, you take the fabric like this, then you fold it, look at it again, like this. You fold it like this, like this, then like this. So you take the glue gun, you put just meet you like that, then you gum it, then you open the other side you add a little bit, just little, then you gum it. So this is how I'm going to do everything, all the whole of them. So this is what you're going to do to the whole circle. Let me do another one for you to see. Like this, then you fold. Like this, then you fold. Okay, so you go. Then you open it again. Then you go. So this is it. This is it, guys. So this is the first one, the second one. So you take the other one, you fold. You can still do it this way. As you fold it like this, then you go. For you not to forget, you go. This is another way that you can also do it for it to be easier for you. After gumming, then you put another one, another glue, then you gum it. So it's still the same thing. Any one you decide to do, you can decide to fold it first, you can decide to gum it first. So there's 3. So guys, we've done this, the bigger ones. These are 6. So we are going to do the small ones. See the same way I did the first one. So you just take the fabric, you fold the pattern, you fold it like this, then you fold. So I'm going to the gumming of the first time. Just put a little bit of the gum, then you gum it. Then another. You gum. So it's the same thing. This one is the smaller pattern, and this one is the bigger one. As you can see, there's a little bit different. So this is how we're going to do everything. So guys, these are all the pattern. So we're going to take our fetch. There's a fetch that I cut out from this one. So I cut it out from this one. So we're going to take this one, our fetch, then bring out the big ones. These are the big ones. There are 6, and the smaller ones are 6. So we are going to take the big one, then we place it like this. So you go, put the fetch, then you go. So I don't know if you're seeing it, guys. So like this. Then I'm going to be taking another pattern. There you go. Just little, that's all you need. Then you go. So you go. So this is the first one. As you can see, this is the first one. So now we're going to be adding the smaller pattern. So there's a smaller one. As a smaller one. So guys, this is it. This is it. So now we're going to be putting this particular button in this place. So like this. So guys, this is it guys. You can see this. This is the one I made before. This is the one I just made. Beautiful. So guys, thank you for watching, and keep on watching my video. Subscribe if you've not subscribed. Like, share, and leave a comment, and press the notification bell in case I upload any new video, so you'll be the first to see it. Thank you. Bye. God bless.